We're gonna start.
One, two.
This is the way
Come on.
going to
One,
the Stations of the Cross.
There you go. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, we're okay going to. Yeah, we're just concluded our way of the cross. We came on that side, and we are here now. That one is the 14th station. And this is the chapel. We're going inside there. And we will continue our prayers and offerings and thanksgiving. We love you, Jesus. We praise you, God. These are the olive trees. This is the place called Valenhos.
Oh, we're
And
here in
this
Portugal.
we're going to Algesville.
Ayun sa gitna. Ang mga lalaki nandun. Mga...
Ano mo kumita yung si ano?
Dito na muna. Para
The crucifixion.
kaya sundin nyo na yung mga kasawa para mabilis tayo.
Sige na, sunod.
Look at the fine trees.
Please.
If you look at this kind of stone, it's beautiful. Going down now, heading to Algesville. We're heading to Algesville, the house of Francisco, Jacinta, and Lucia, the three little Seaford. Yeah, this is the way of the cross. The 11th station. That way going to Valenhos, and this way going to Calvary. So then going up to din. How old is the trees kaya? Ang daming olive trees.
100 years.
Ha?
Ang operation is 100 years. 106 years.
They are very old na trees. Ha?
Parang hindi pa siya. Pero yan. Wala pa kasi sila. Ito yung place na ano, nung nag-ano sila, nagpastol sila ng mga shepherds nila. Nakita sila ng angel na they were just playing around. They were just playing. So the angel was telling them na why are you playing, why are you not praying? So ito yung itong area na to na pinapray sila tapos nagbigay ng communion. Ang guardian angel, si guardian angel Michael daw yung
Sandali.
ang sabi nila si guardian angel Michael daw eh. I'm not really sure ha. Basta ang guardian angel nagbigay ng first communion sa kanilang tatlo.
Sino yung nasa dito?
Si Lucia yan, yung eldest. Pero magkapatid si Jacinta at saka si Francisco.
Ano nila si...
Cousin sila. Cousin.
Hindi pala. Akala ko tatlo sila magkakapatid.
Dito sila nakakita ng angels.
Ito.
Yan, dyan
Ano sila?
mismo.
Before ang apparition, palaging nagpakita sa kanilang angel.
Si
Piniprepare sila,
Jacinta at
pinaprepare.
Francis.
Oo, sila
Di-
tatlo.
Dito.
Itong
Kung gusto niyong appear yung heaven